Hello Xiaomi fans, today is a good day for you. Xiaomi Redmi just announced the price and it blew my mind away. So much features at so less cost. What is this? I'm like, really? Can this happen? For all I thought it would be something ranging from 15k to 17k because it was offering so much value for the money, and the moment it was announced, like bam, it hit me straight away, man. I cannot express how I feel about the price. Just so you know, the specifications of Redmi Note 7 Pro are Sony IMX 586, that is a 48 megapixel camera, and Snapdragon 675, which is better than 710 with latest cryo cores. And the price, man, the looks, the Gorilla Glass, the Android Pie, the USB Type-C, the 4000 mAh battery, the display, such a great mixture and a great device. The first sale of this Pro device will be on 13th of next month, and my oh my, they should be producing the smartphone in huge quantities as it would get finished in matter of seconds. Now everyone can afford the best smartphone at an affordable price. The Redmi Note 7 is not far back away, like the things they are offering, the price that's like 10,000 and 12,000 for specified version of devices, and so much at so less cost. I got to say, Redmi just made to the top again, and like it's just going up, and the rest of the smartphone companies may be wondering what to do next, and the Xiaomi just goes on blasting more and more bombs. The specs are like flagship level and the price is mid-range to low range, and that's how Xiaomi is and what it does. Such great devices at such wonderful prices. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and if you're a Xiaomi fan, please subscribe to support my channel. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Until then, goodbye.